Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Delhi University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is Arabic letters with double Jabar. Today's topic is Arabic letters with double Jabar. Today's class for the class Junior 1, and today's topic is Arabic letters with double Jabar. Okay, dear students, see the board how I write down Arabic letters and give double Jabar. Firstly, I will write down Arabic letters from Alif to Ya. Then I will give double Jabar. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Lal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Twa, Ra, Ain, Goin, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamza, and Ya. Okay, now I will give double Jabar. Okay boys, this sign name is Jabar. When you use to this sign, then it will be double Jabar. So now I give double Jabar. Alif dui Jabar An, Ba dui Jabar Ban, Ta dui Jabar Tan, Sa dui Jabar San, Jim dui Jabar Jan, Ha dui Jabar Han, Kha dui Jabar Khan, Dal dui Jabar Dan, Zal dui Jabar Zan, Ra dui Jabar Ron, Za dui Jabar Zan, Sin dui Jabar San, Shin dui Jabar Shan, Sod dui Jabar Son, Dod dui Jabar Don, To dui Jabar Ton, Zo dui Jabar Zon, Ain dui Jabar Za dui Jabar Zon, Ain dui Jabar An, Goin dui Jabar Gon, Fa dui Jabar Fan, Kop dui Jabar Kon, Kap dui Jabar Kan, Lam dui Jabar Lan, Mim dui Jabar Man, Nun dui Jabar Nan, Waw dui Jabar Wan, Ha dui Jabar Han, Hamza dui Jabar An, Ya dui Jabar Yan. Okay, dear students, now I want to repeat again with pronunciation. Alif dui Jabar An, Ba dui Jabar Ban, Ta dui Jabar Tan, Sa dui Jabar San, Jim dui Jabar Jan, Ha dui Jabar Han, Kha dui Jabar Khon, Dal dui Jabar Dan, Zal dui Jabar Zan, Ra dui Jabar Ron, Za dui Jabar Zan, Sin dui Jabar San, Shin dui Jabar Shan, Sod dui Jabar Son, Dod dui Jabar Don, To dui Jabar Ton, Zo dui Jabar Zon, Ain dui Jabar An, Goin dui Jabar Gon, Fa dui Jabar Fan, Kop dui Jabar Kon, Kap dui Jabar Kan, Lam dui Jabar Lan, Mim dui Jabar Man, Nun dui Jabar Nan, Waw dui Jabar Wan, Ha dui Jabar Han, Hamza dui Jabar An, Ya dui Jabar Yan. Okay, dear students, now I want to share on things point or Nokta. Dear students, you have to must notice that this is Nokta. If you give this, then it will be 0. It is not Nokta, it is 3 Nokta. If you use this 3 Nokta, if you use this like as like a 0, then it will be 3 Nokta in Arabic. So you have to must use only on dot or point. This is Nokta. If you use, it is not Nokta. one nokta, it is 3 nokta. So you have to must give only one dot for nokta, such as this is ba. If you it is noon, and if you give like this, then it will be tha, because it is as like as 3 nokta. So you have to must careful about this. There is no space between nokta, not like this, only like. Okay, dear students, now I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture or today's class. Today's HW number 9. Today's HW number 9. Give here HW number and write here topic. 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 Arabic letters. Arabic letters with double Jabor. Arabic letters with double Jabor. Alif to Ya. Okay, boys, this is your HW. Okay, boys, you have to do your HW very carefully at your home and submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood the topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by your parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah, with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.